Mr. People, you know, so I did feel like my woman I give me bun, you see me? But me never have nothing for prove. And I not have nothing for show so she give me because I just feel like say it's a little body man. She give front, you see me? So anyway, I come with that plan, you see me? One night when me and her go have sex, you see me, I walk with a marker. You know them long marker, them long slim marker there, yeah. I walk with a marker. So anyway, you know, me and her there, you know? And me and her go have sex and things. So I turn her back way. So I turn her back way, I did I play the front feet wet up. You see me, because you don't want to go in the dry. You see it? So I did I played it and she get wet. You see me? So when she get wet, I take my little time sleepy in the marker. So I sleepy in the marker, I don't hear she say nothing. So I go say boom now and start walk it with the marker, yeah. I did I walk it with the marker. I see she start to enjoy it and I make son and I say, eh. Anyway, I start to walk it at stamp it with the marker. You know what me hear Mama say? Mama say, yes, Sam, sex out my wall. So I say, what? I say, come like say to the girl in love with this man a little cocky, your brother. I come like say anything small go in her hole. She have it for say him in there. So I say, what you say a while ago? She say, yo, she says strong. What you say? Strong fuck her. You say, I say strong fuck. What you mean strong fuck you? She said, I never say it to her. I say strong me, I tell you strong me and fuck me. You see me? I say, no, I lie, I tell you, I want wicked girl. You see me? Matter of fact, me never in a you. See that I'm sure I say I'm still in a me underpants. You see me? Me never in a you. Thing dead. She say, and I chat one bag of I say, yeah man, a Sam a fuck you. Sam, you love Sam. Sam, any little thing going on here, Sam. A Sam. You see me, so I just left. I just dig off, brother. I just dig off. You see me? I text me and I call me and I cry and I confess on them thing there. Sam you want, Sam you get. Sam you want, Sam you get. Me don't know if him a give you money taller than way I push inside of you. But as Sam you want, go and stay with Sam. I they say it there.